Watch this video as these birds fly together in sync as someone worships the Lord in the background.
Birds are dancing.
Yeah.
Wow. That's cool.
What is it, all creatures? They
That's awesome. Wow.
It's like literally like a show in the sky.
Oh, they're going away.
And they all just went to
Revelations 5:13 says, "Then I heard every creature in heaven and on earth and under the earth and on the sea, and all that is in them, sang to him who sits on the throne and to the Lamb be praise and honor and glory and power forever and ever." And there's many other scriptures that talk about all of creation crying out holy and worshiping the Lord. I don't know about you, but it looks like those birds were worshiping the Lord. Let me know in the comments what you think, and for more Christian content, like or subscribe.